The next we discuss the topic is continuation topic. Motion of a charged particle. Motion of a charged particle in an electric field. In an electric field. In an electric field. See here. See here. The motion of a charged particle. Motion of a charged particle. See, a charged particle. See, let us consider a charged particle. A charged particle placed in a uniform electric field. Uniform electric. What is meant by the uniform? Uniform is the each and every point the equal force acting, that is called as the uniform. Non-uniform is the each and every particle the same force is not acting by them. The previous class discussing about this one, uniform and non-uniform. See here, the charged particle, the place in a uniform electric field, force acting on it. Force acting on it. See, this is considered the uniform electric field. So what is considered this as a uniform electric field? In uniform electric field, what is placed by this charged particle is placed. What is placed by them? The charged particle is placed. Now the force act on its charged particle, that F is equal to Q into E. F is equal, what is the formula here? Q into E. Since we know the intensity of electric field, force acting per unit charge, this force is equal to Q into E. What is the formula here? F is equal to Q into E. The direction of force, see here the next is another, the direction of force is parallel to the electric field. The charge is a positive. Charge is a positive. If the direction of force is opposite to electric field. Charge is a negative. What is here? The charge is a negative. Here the charge is a positive. See, this is the diagram. This is considered the positive charge. Now the force is acting. This is the direction, and electric field also acting in the same direction. Now this is the electric field is acting. This is the direction, but you have the negative charge. Now the force is acting in an opposite direction. See here the charge is positive. The force and electric field are same direction. Same is nothing but parallel. Here say the what is this? Opposite direction. Here, in case of motion of a charged particle in electric field, see, this is considered the particle, the place in a electric field. Its weight is acting vertically downwards mg and the force is acting vertically upwards. This force is nothing but is called as the buoyancy force. That F is equal to Q into E. The force acting electric field, that the charge into electric field. Now the upward force is equal to downward force. What we can add here, the Q into E is equal to F into G. Say upward force is equal to downward force. We can add F is equal to M into G. This F is equal to Q into E is equal to mg. The next we are discussing about this particle can be accelerated in an electric field. The floated in an electric field. This electric field can be reversed, or this electric field is along the direction that we are discussing about here. See here, a charged particle is floated in electric field. Floated means is moving in this direction. Then find its acceleration. What we can find out here, the acceleration. The first condition, when the field is reversed. When the field is reversed. The second one, what is it? When the field is turned to the 90 degrees. The first we are discussing about it is when field is reversed. Reverse is nothing but when the field is parallel to particle. Parallel to particle. See, this is the particle. Its weight is mg is acting vertically downwards. Now the electric field is acting also downwards. Electric field is also acting in downwards. And here the force, the which direction is acting by that? It is also downward direction. The electric field, which direction is there? The force can be also the same direction. Then we can find out here the force of net. Means the resultant net force on this charged particle. Charged particle. See, the charged particle is nothing but F net. The total upward force is equal to total downward force. Upward force, what is there? Only for the resultant net force. The downward force, what is there? The two forces is acting by that. That is the force plus the weight is the mg. The force is nothing but what we can add? Q into E plus M into G. And right here the F net. Here the Q into E is replaced by the force from Newton second law, M into A, that is equal to M into G plus M into G. This Q into E is equal also F, that is equal to M into A. That is equal to, we can add M into G. This is equal to F net. F net from Newton second law, we can add M into A is equal to 2mg. This M gets cancelled. This A is equal, how much is there? 2 into G. That acceleration of the body, A equal to 2 into G. The next one we are discussing about it, when the field is turned. When a field is turned. Second one, when field is turned to 90 degrees. To 90. See, this is a charged particle. What is this? Charged particle. Now its weight is acting downwards mg. Now this is the direction we can have a force. Now how much of the angle is theta is equal to 90 degrees. Theta is equal to 90 degrees. Then find out is the resultant force. See, what is the formula for the resultant? Resultant, this F is equal, F net is equal under root of F square plus mg square plus 2F into mg into cos theta. See, this is nothing but the first year we can learn about in a parallelogram law of vector. What is the parallelogram law of vector is there? There is a p square plus q square plus 2f cos theta, 2pq cos theta. See here, right, the resultant force Resultant force F net is equal to under root of P square. P square is nothing but mg square plus Q square, that is nothing but F square plus 2 P into Q, F into mg into cos theta. Here theta is equal to how much is there? 90 degrees. Cos 90. Since cos of 90 degrees is equal to 0. 0 into something, this total term will be 0. F net is equal to under root of mg square plus it is also taken by the mg square, that is equal to 2m square and g square. Then we can write here the root 2 into mg is equal to F net. F net is equal to what you can do, the mass into acceleration. This mass will be cancelled. This acceleration is equal to root 2 into g. When the charge particle is turned to the 90 degrees perpendicular to the electric field, then acceleration A is equal to root 2 into g. If it's turned to the parallel, then A is equal to 2 into g. See, this is the two special cases of a motion of a charged particle in a electric field.